Now let's learn about conditional statements in Swift. If statement in Swift. The if statement is used to execute a block of code if a condition is met. We can use else or else if to declare a new condition. For example, the following code checks if a number is even. So we have a number called 10, and if number %2 equals to 0, basically %2 finds the remainder of it. So if the remainder is equal to 0, the number is going to be even. And if it's not, it's going to print odd. So if it's 9, the number is absolutely going to follow the else statement down there. So it's going to print the number is odd. Now let's talk about switch statement in Swift. Switch statement is used to execute a block of code based on the value of expression. The syntax for switch statement is as follows: switch and expression, case and value 1, and case and value 2. It's basically if statement divided into each cases. And default is just like else. When none of the code has been executed, then it's just going to print the default case. Here's a challenge question for you today. Write a Swift program that uses an if statement or a switch statement to determine the day of the week based on a given integer. So you can divide each week of day with integers. So number 1 can be Monday, and number 2 will be Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, like that. So here's an answer explanation for you for the challenge question. So if you guys use if statement, the code should look like if statement for week of day 1 if week of day equal to 1 print Monday. It's just gonna be the same thing, so we're gonna write else if week of day 2 Tuesday, else if week of day 3 Wednesday. This is pretty absurd, so it's like the worst way to code like this way. So it's better to use I forgot else if. It's better to use switch statement in this case because there's a lot of repeating tasks that we need to write. So, and then we're gonna end with else if weekday equal to 5 print Friday, and else print weekends. So let me show you how it looks like with the switch statement. So switch statement is the best way how to code this one, right? So switch week of day case 1 print Monday, case 2 print Tuesday, case 3 print. You see how it's going, right? So every single case is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 in the numbers, so it is way convenient than writing else if for entire time. So case 4 is gonna be Thursday, and case 5 print Friday, and default print weekend.